Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I have gone down to the local park, very pretty at this time of day, to give you a quick update on the status of two of my upcoming videos. So the first one is a skiing video that I'm going to be filming in the upcoming days, because, ski week, we get a week off, so we are going skiing. That will come out in approximately a week, and then after that I will be doing a GoPro Hero 8 review. And so what that entails is I will be scripting a review on the Hero 8 of all its features, specs, price point, and my opinion on whether you should buy it right now after the Hero 9 has come out in the past few months. So that is the two videos that will be coming out in the future weeks. I just wanted to check in, make this short video with you at the park. Pretty nice day. I just scootered down here, so yeah. I'm filming this on my phone because my GoPro is dead. I'm running a lot of charging tests for a video, actually a series of a lot of videos that I will be filming this summer, and I will not have access to any electricity, so take of that what you will. I'm not going to be filming anything else until that actually happens, or maybe a little bit closer to it, but this is my update for today, and yeah, expect the skiing video in the next 2 weeks or so, and then the GoPro video to come out, 2 to 3 weeks after that, once I have time to script it and film it and talk about all the GoPro's features. So I hope you have a great day. Drink some water, stay safe, wear your mask. I made sure there was no one around before I filmed this. And especially thank you to anyone that's ever hated on me or been negative to me, because you are the ones that truly inspire me to improve myself and make better videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a few weeks. Let's go.